I found this amazing website, and trust me, you can earn as much money as you want in USDT with no investment. What have you got to lose? Nothing. You're investing nothing apart from your time and your data, and you are earning this much money from this platform. You can earn as much as 10,000 naira a day. I mean, it's been a while we have not posted any video on how you can make this fast cash from the online space. And I remember the last video we posted, I had a lot of questions like, is this real? Is it working? I've tried and it's not working for me. And I was really disappointed because I took my time, researched on it, and spent hours to record that video to make sure that you guys get value from it. But a lot of people were doubting. And sometimes you get to these platforms because of network, you can access it and you just come back to say, oh, it's a lie and it's fake. No, that video wasn't a fake video, or that method of making money wasn't a fake one, because a few days ago I withdrew $120, and I bet you I sorted out my prepaid for the month, and I also paid for my phone bills for the month. And to tell you the truth, I made all this $120 from referrals, because I don't have enough time to go there every other day to watch these videos and earn that money. I know I'm Claudia of all trades, but I can't do everything. I think I've been on that platform maybe 5 times, and each time I was there, I spent about 5 minutes and I watched like 5 different videos for 34 seconds thereabout. And each time I was there, I made $2 each time. I was just surprised to go there another time and I saw $30. I went there again, I saw 50, and this time I had reached the threshold and I withdrew that money, and I was super excited. I will try as much as possible that next time when I'm withdrawing money, I do it live so you all can see it. Just like this platform for today, it is free. You do not need any investment. You just need to sign up and start making money for yourself. What have you got to lose? Let's get in there and try to make money from this platform and see the result. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate you all for the love, the support, the subscription, the likes, the comments, and most especially the referral bonus you guys are all letting me have. I am super excited, and I don't take you all for granted. No way. I love you and thank you all. I got that money because you all were there to support me get the money, and you too can get it for yourself. On this channel, we talk about everything: small business ideas, side hustle ideas, making money online, and building wealth. If these are the kind of content you love and you want to join this small community, please consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. All this is free. It will help this channel to reach out to as many people as possible. And I will also know that you love and respect the research I put into this channel. So let's get into the video proper so you all can see how you can use this platform to make money for yourself. And before the end of this video, I will share with you the website that you can use to make 10,000 naira every day. I mean, fast money. On your screen right now, as you can see, I've been able to make $33. That is my balance right there. And if you are interested in this side hustle, you can go down to the description or the comment section, use the referral link right there and sign up into this platform. If you look at your screen right now, you will see different people who are earning money or withdrawing from this platform. Immediately it is popping up on your screen to show you different people earning or withdrawing every moment. And then if you look at the bottom of your screen, because I am using my mobile app, I want to show you how easy it is for you to make money from this platform. So you don't need a laptop. If you have your smartphone, you can sign up into this platform and make money for yourself. So right down on your phone, if you go to the bottom part of your phone, you will see home, invite, task center, videos, cash out. These are the various tools that you can use on this platform. And the first thing you want to do when you've signed into this platform is to set your payment method. So go right where you see payment method and you click on it. When you click on it, go to method, and then you will see several means in which you can withdraw your money. We have select method of payment. You have Baga, Payoneer, you have Google Pay, you have OPay, you have Verve, you have Wallet Africa, you have PayPal, Western Union, Cash App, Bitcoin, USDT, Etsy, and a lot more. What you have to do is to select whatever withdrawal means you prefer. And I know a lot of us in Nigeria have OPay accounts or PalmPay accounts, so you can select that so you can get your money easily when you reach the threshold. And then below you can put in your account number and you click on OK, and you are done with that section. The amazing thing about this platform is that you have a sign up bonus if you use my referral at $25. I mean, signing up with my referral, you have a $25 already in your account waiting for you. At this point, I really wonder why this platform will give us $25 for sign up bonus. I really ponder about it, but I'm not worried about it because I am investing nothing on this platform. I've got nothing to lose. The only thing I would lose is if I don't try this platform to know if it is real or not. There are several ways you can make money from this platform, and one of my favorite ways to make money from any of these platforms or websites is by referral. Because I have this channel and I have you all right there watching me, I love using referrals because I don't have the time to go every day to these platforms to, watch these videos and make this money. I can't really do everything. So my favorite part is to share my referral links to my friends, to you all, and then when you use my referral link, I will get a bonus from you using that. That is just one way to make money from this platform, and another way to make money is by watching YouTube videos or short ads and earning money for yourself. Another way you can also earn money from this platform beside referral, beside watching videos, is carrying out tasks. There are several tasks that you can do. So let's go back into this website and see what you can do. So if you click on invite at the bottom of your screen, you will see your referral link that you can copy it and share with your friends, your family, or your community, or you can just go to platforms on YouTube, on Facebook, and you put in your referral link there, giving them an evidence that they can actually withdraw money or make money from this platform, and you will have people queuing or using your referral link, and you'll be earning money. The next thing you can do to earn money from this platform, go to Task Center, click on it, and you would see different tasks that you can perform and earn money. Right here on our screen, we have tasks like apps and games. The same task can only be done once in 24 hours. Right below, there are several tasks that you can perform, like randomly recommend the most popular game. So all you have to do is to click where you see view app task, and then you can start carrying out the task. Right here, the first game is $20. So if you complete this task, you'll be able to earn $20. And the next one is randomly recommend the most popular app. So click on it. I think everything right here, or every task you can complete right here, is $20, $20, $20. As you can see at the top of your screen, it says complete 4 to 10 tasks before midnight and get up to $35 extra for yourself. When you click on video on the bottom part of your screen, you're going to see different videos you can watch to earn money. And amazingly, I've seen a video that I am super interested in. Earn money by watching videos. Each of the following promoted videos can be viewed, and when you watch the video, you can get the corresponding commission. Due to the large number of users, each person can only watch 3 videos a day. Right here, as you can see, there are 3 different videos on your screen that you can watch and earn $15 per video. And I am super excited about this because I have watched this video or this movie on YouTube and I really love it, When Men Cry. And the next one here is on Vivo, and any video you watch here, you'll be earning $15 from that video. So you can go right now and click on any of them and start watching it to earn money for yourself. So amazingly, everyone who is here is interested in this money. So your favorite part, just like mine, is cashing out. Now, because we have already set our payment method, and if you want to set your payment method, I set mine for OP, but you can do whatever suits you, because I know some of you watching me right now, you're not in Nigeria, maybe you're in Kenya, South Africa, Canada, US, Cameroon, whatever country you are in, there are several payment methods. So select which one best suits you or is easy for you to cash out your money. So click on cash out. Ready to cash out your earnings. As you can see here on your screen, insufficient balance. Minimum balance required to cash out is $200. In order to avoid cheating, there is a minimum withdrawal amount limit for your first withdrawal, and there is no limit for subsequent withdrawals. This is interesting. If my first withdrawal is just $200 and the subsequent ones I can withdraw $10, $5, maybe $20, then I'm ready to go for this. In fact, I'm already in. I don't know about you, but I feel like this will turn out well. So, because I haven't had $200 in my account, definitely I can't withdraw money for today. But thank God I have $33, and I am hoping to work hard on this particular website so I can use the money from this website to pay a lot of bills for myself in April. All right. So the things you can do to earn money from this platform is by your referral link, invite people, and per invite you will earn $22 per person. Start by inviting friends, families, or your followers. You can go to your social media platforms and you share your referral link right there. And a lot of people are looking for fast cash, so they will be there to use your referral link, and you can earn this $22 per referral. So, besides making money from referral on this platform, you can also make money by completing tasks, watching videos, and daily milestones. And any task you complete on this platform, you will earn $20. And for video watch, you will earn $15. And for daily milestone, your earnings per day would depend. So each day comes with a different amount of money you will earn from this platform. So I am super excited. I don't know about you. I am all into this platform or this website because the previous one gave me $120, and I know for sure that whether this one is working or not, I am not investing any money, so there is no need for me not to try this platform. The task or the videos you're watching will not take you a long time. As you could see for the videos, that particular movie, I've watched it on YouTube. I didn't even know they have put it on this platform to sell the movie more. So I feel that this is a great way to have fast cash in your pocket this month. If you love the research so far, do comment on the comment section, monetize everything we do, like and share this video with your friends and family, and you can use your own referral link to refer your friends, your family, and your social media community. It's a great way to earn money with referral income, just like I did with our previous video. Love you all, and by the grace of God, I'm going to be here every other week with small business ideas, side hustle ideas, ways you can make money online just like this one, and how you can build wealth. And if you love this kind of content, make sure you click on that subscription button, click on the like button so that this video can be taken by the algorithm of YouTube across the globe, and this community will keep growing and impacting other people's life. Love you all. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. So see you on my next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. Love you all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.